Just putting the Audi back together after replacing the serpentine belt tensioner, which meant moving the front of the car forwards by a couple inches so I could get the old tensioner out, the bearing on. Should have really, it's had 3 cam belts in that period. One of those service providers should have said, well, we'll look to change that. I think maybe they didn't want to do that because I'm not sure they were totally convinced by the bolts here. Actually, I got them all out, but I had to drill a couple of them, which means they were obviously using techniques where they were not moving the car forwards into the service mode. Now, the point of the video, look at this piece of plastic. Does it look quite new? I think it is. It's brand new. It is a new replacement air duct for the intercooler, which is down there. Now that pipe, see, all that pipe's looking a little bit tired. Not a big issue, but obviously not bright and shiny and that's because when this car went in for one of those cam belt changes or a new condenser, Volksworks over at Needingworth, and that's on my view, because they were the only company that's actually had the car in for cam belts and condenser work. I think they left this piece, the original piece, off, and it's a few years now, but yeah, that is a big piece of plastic to forget to put on. So they would have just forgot to put it on. They would put the car back together and then realise, having got it back together, they've missed a piece out, and then obviously hid it. All right, and it's just when I got the car back, it wasn't straight away, it was some time later. I thought, that's strange, because this pipe wasn't dull like this, it was really shiny. Yeah, because obviously it was protected by the edge of this, which effectively draws the air through the bumper shroud, collects it and pushes it through. And without that on, I was probably losing a bit of performance, to be honest, because it wouldn't get the same sort of airflow. The air coming in here was just going everywhere, and no doubt contributing to dirt and crud inside the engine to some degree. Anyway, I'm about to put it all back together. Should have probably picked it up. Well, when I first picked it up, I should have gone back and had a word with them about it. But clearly it wouldn't have been. It's not my fault, Gov. Now I'm sorting it out. So this video could end up again on Google against the videos I put up regarding how they damaged my wife's mini engine, which I've now repaired. Yeah, so a bit of a theme here. Talk to you later.